Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Claim What's Yours. Today I wanted to have a chat with you about your short-term personal or commercial insurance policy and the terms and conditions, warranties that your insurers apply to your policy, as well as the laws of our land that govern us as people within South Africa. So in terms of your insurance policy, your insurance company is allowed to negotiate the terms and conditions that they impose on your policy. So depending how you sell yourself to them or your risk to them, the insurance company may impose less onerous or more onerous conditions on your policy. So for example, you've got a high-risk motor vehicle, your insurance company will say to you, we need you to install a tracking device, and in the latest scheme of things, we need you to install 2 tracking devices. So that is a decision that the insurance company make on their own. They can waive that warranty. They don't have to apply it. So the option is for them to apply it or not apply it. The same would be an alarm at your house. So there's no law that says the insurance company have to put or apply a clause on your policy to install a tracking device. So it depends how you negotiate. Now let's have a look at the laws of our land. So as a citizen of our country or as a visitor to our country, you have to apply by the laws of our country. So the insurance company have various laws that they have to comply with in terms of the policy, and the insurance company, the directors, owners, shareholders, are not permitted to break those laws. If they break the law, they are a party to the law and are party to a criminal act. So let's give you an example. The example is a driver's license on a motor vehicle. The policy says that you must comply with all, the motor section of the policy that is, says that you must comply with all the local licensing requirements. Licensing requirement is that if you drive a motor vehicle, you have to have a valid car type driver's license as a South African citizen. If you do not have one, you have not renewed one, if you've never had one, the insurance company is not permitted to pay a motor related accident damage claim because you are breaking the law, and the insurance company cannot break the law. I'll give you another example. The South African National Building Standards. You've purchased a property, and that property is governed by the National Building Standards. I've got the wording somewhere. So the National Building Standards, and that's to promote uniformity in the construction of properties in the local authorities and to make sure that the building is constructed so that it's not going to fall on you. When you have a claim, the insurance company is going to ask you for when you have a catastrophic claim, the insurance company is going to ask you for a copy of your council approved plans. If you're not able to provide them with council approved plans, your insurance company will not pay your claim. The National Building Regulations Act, SANS Act, South African National Buildings Regulation Act, says that all properties constructed on any land in South Africa must have plans approved by the council. If you're not able to give them plans, your insurance company will say to you that you are outside the law, and because you're outside the law, they are also not allowed to pay in terms of the policy. So that policy may have been in place for 20 years, and your building's been there for 40 years. But if you do not have council approved plans, the insurer is precluded from paying the claim and becoming party to a criminal act or breaking a law. I hope that clarifies the position. If you'd like to know more about your insurance policy and how all these things affect your insurances, like, subscribe, and send us an email.